Hi guys, all of you, good evening. Guys, please keep in mute. Keep in mute. Keep in mute. Okay, guys. Hi guys, all of you, good evening. Guys, in today's session, we are seeing that how to configure Jenkins on AWS console. By using AWS resources, we are going to configuring Jenkins. If we want to configure Jenkins, we should have some prerequisites. Jenkins configuration on AWS. So prerequisites already you know that. Yes, update the server. Next to install VAM, wget, tar, make, unzip, and of course by default we will get these packages. We can see that is it required or not. Next to install git latest version. Next 4 install java and install Tomcat and run the service. Next download the Jenkins.war and deploy into Tomcat web apps folder. Next, before that, and configure username and password and allow the path for run server on console and browser. Okay, next start the Tomcat service and move to browser. Okay, we'll see the guys. And before that, so we are going to creating the instance. Yes. Okay, the steps. Okay, choose EC2 service, create a T2 medium or a T2 micro also, no problem. T2 medium or T2 micro server. Okay, next in security group, yes, choose all traffic and next that's all, no? Yes, and next continue with the default services. Okay guys, we'll see that. Okay, next create a new key pair or use existed keep it, that your wish. And next, okay, we'll see guys, maybe we are going to adding some more. Now launch your browser first. Okay, launch, these are common browser, and apply AWS management console and choose my account, and again AWS management console. Yes, now login by root user. For the right now we are choosing root user privileges. Okay guys, now let me launch browser. Next, apply that AWS management console. See guys, next my account, click on here, again AWS management console. Yes, this is my already, I have that my user, this is my user. Of course these all are my previous users. Okay, right now I'm using this one. Yes, click on that next. See guys, I'm using root privileges, I'm using login with root user. Next, you don't use this one, we'll discuss later on that. Until that, don't use that one. Next, use that default one, that root user, and apply your mail ID, which one is in active mode. Next, click on next. Of course it will ask the password, you can apply that. Okay, next click on that, sign in. See guys, this is my AWS console. This is my AWS management console. Now these are my previous service. Already I have used these services. Yes, if you are new to AWS, click here in the search box, apply that EC2. Or else if you want to see guys, these all are the services. These are the major services. Once you click on this one, you will get a lot of or much more sub services. See guys, this is the console home. EC2 is a one service, IAM is one service, global accelerator is the one service, EC2 image build is one service. These all are the services. Now present we are using EC2. EC2 means Elastic Compute Cloud. Yes, click on here. Yes, these all are services related to EC2. This is my EC2 dashboard. Now what we are doing, that we are going to creating one EC2 instance. If you want to create a EC2 instance, guys, instance nothing but a server. VM nothing but a server. Physical machine also, that's also one physical server. Virtual server. In EC2 also, EC2 is the service, instance is the one VM. Now what we are doing, that we are going to creating one instance nothing but a VM. Yes, click on this launch instance. Now you can name the server name, which name you want to. Yes, Jenkins, I am naming Jenkins. Jenkins is the CI/CD tool for integrating code, for building the code, to send the code to test environment, and we can send the code to build environment, and we can send the product to test environment, and we can deploy into the Tomcat, and we can deploy into the pre-production, and we can deploy into the production environment. Jenkins is the very powerful tool. It's very, very important tool. It's playing main key role in DevOps environment. Okay. Now guys, so I'm naming this Jenkins. Now come here. I'm choosing these are the OSs operating systems. Amazon Linux also one operating system, Mac also one OS, and Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, SUSE. See guys, Debian, these all are the certified operating systems by AWS. Not only this, we are having plenty of operating systems. If you go here, we can see n number of. We'll discuss later on that guys. Now I'm choosing the default one Amazon Linux. If you observe this one, you can see guys, small light border blue color. It means it's selected. If you want to use Red Hat, yes, select this one. Select this one. Okay guys. Now, yes, this is the default one. Select this one. Right now I'm choosing that your wish guys. Nothing to worry here. You can choose or anyone. But if you are choosing that Mac OS, you have to execute some different commands. In the Linux also, of course, that is also Linux, but some different commands are there compared to other operating systems. Okay guys. Of course, we can create file, edit file, modify file, update file by common using what command, which kind of commands we are using right now. For these activities, same commands will execute, but some differences. Okay. Yes, guys. And okay, finally we'll decide with this one, Amazon Linux. So this one and click here. Choose this one, Amazon Linux 2 AMI, Amazon Mission Image, Amazon Mission Image, Hypervisor Mission kernel. This is the latest kernel here. They are providing that one. Next, the mission is T2 medium. T2 medium. Now you can see guys. By default, we are getting T2 micro. If you want to choose different one, yes, click here. T2 medium. They are providing 2 CPUs and 4 GB RAM. They are providing in the T2 medium. They are providing 2 CPUs, virtual CPUs, and 4 GB RAM. Okay, guys. Now, key pair. If already have these key pairs, maybe these are not available in my local mission. Today, I have changed this mission. Okay, I am choosing new key pair. Click on that, create a new key pair. Now, you can name the key pair name. Yes, Jenkins 6 p.m. And the default one, I am choosing that RSA and PEM key. Next, click on that create key pair, and it will download into your local mission. Of course, I'm also having here, no problem. Just click on that save. Have downloaded. Okay, guys. Now we are working with this key pair. Now, in network security groups, yes, see guys. So we have created new key pair, and in security group, we are choosing all traffic. Yes, click on that edit. Scroll down. Now you can see here, guys. Security group. Yes, click on that SSH. Select that all traffic. We will discuss later on that too. So what is the use of all traffic, or else? So what are these all? We will discuss later on that. Those are very important. But present we are using all traffic. Okay. Next, default anywhere we are going to accessing this one. Guys, please keep in mute. Keep in mute. Session is recording here. Guys, don't mind. Sindhu, please keep in mute. Okay, guys. Now, what we are doing? We are going with the default services. We are continuing with the default services. Yes, they are providing default storage, 8 GB disk storage, and volume not required. And so, how many instances you want? How many servers you want? Yes, one is enough right now. I'm not going to changing. Yes, these are the configurations what we have chosen here. See guys. Okay. So finally, now I'm deciding to create a new instance. Just click on that launch instance. Just wait guys, it will take some time. It's processing. Successfully it's created. Instance VM created, but it will take some time to launch that. See guys, it will take some time. Just refresh here. Process started. The state of instance you can see here, pending. Pending. Okay. Here we will get that 2 by 2 checks. Status checks we will get 2 by 2. See guys, initializing. The server is initializing. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Yes, if we want to connect this one, select here and click on that connect. Yes, click on that SSH client and copy this one. Now move to where you have downloaded that key. Yes, see guys, Jenkins 6pm. It's very important. Wherever you kept that, you have to move there. You should be inside that location. So this file located, this frame file located inside this downloads. Yes, come to downloads. Now in the empty place, click mouse right button, select that git bash here. Now maximize this one, increase font size. Now just paste that whatever we have selected, just hit the enter. Now we are going to connecting, apply that YES. See guys, successfully we have connected to this Linux AWS EC2 instance. Actually this instance located, physical server is located in the Mumbai region. See, these all are the regions. Right now we are in Mumbai region. Virtually we are working. The server is located in the Mumbai. From here we are going to accessing this server. Okay guys. Now successfully we logged in into AWS EC2 instance. Now guys, now Linux commands. Okay. Yes, we are switching into C guys. By default we logged in into, we will enter into that EC2 instance normal user. This is the default user, normal user EC2. Now what we are doing that we are switching into root user. Sudo space -i. See guys, now we are in root user. Of course, this is not right time to discuss about these two differences. We'll discuss later on that. Once we enter into that user management, we'll discuss later on that. Okay guys, now clear the screen, Control L. Now try to update that yum update -y. See guys, nothing is there. Already everything up to date. Everything up to date. Now come here. Sorry. Yes, we have updated. Now we are going to installing these packages. Of course, they have given these all packages. They have installed already, but as for formalities, we need to apply that command yum install wget vim tar make unzip -y. Of course, maybe you are having doubt what are these. These all are the packages. These all are the packages. Package nothing but a software. In Windows terminology, we are calling as a software. In Linux terminology, we are calling as a package. See guys, they are already installed. They have given with installed packages. So need not worry about this one. Okay. But based on our requirement, you need to test that the package is available or not. If you haven't installed, we need to be installed that. That's very important. Now, we are going to installing Git. What is the command to know Git version? Git space - version. See guys, the Git package not available. Git package not available. What are the prerequisites? Yes, we should have Git, we should have Java, and we need to be download and install Tomcat. After that, we need to download Jenkins.war file. After that, we need to start the service. After that, we need to install the plugins. Yes, add the Jenkins key, and okay, choose suggested plugins. We'll see that, guys. Later, slowly we will see. Now, see, guys, we are going to installing Git. Yes, the command. Of course, seniors are having experience working with Git. Am I correct? You know that, yes. What are the prerequisites, guys? What are the prerequisites for installing Git? The latest version. Yes, m install curl development, expand development, get text development. Next, open SSL development. Next, open how many packages over? 5. Yeah, 4. Yes, jetlib devel y. We are going to installing. These are very important. To install the latest version of Git package. If you don't want to install latest one, very simple, yum install Git. We will get the default version. Which one is the Amazon providing? We will get that version. So guys, these packages we are going to installing. Yes, successfully we have installed. Now one more, yum install GCC genome compiler collections. Next, perl -ext utils -make maker -y. Yes, successfully we have installed. Now we are going to downloading Git software. cd /opt ll. Of course, these two are by default we got from the VM or this instance. You should not disturb this one. Now move to your browser. Yes, open one new tab. Git downloads. Yes, click on this downloads. And don't select here, guys. Seniors, up to last 2 days. Yes, we saw that 2.42.1. Now, on which date it's modified? Release notes. Actually, it's 20th it's released, but they have updated in the site yesterday, I think. Okay, guys. But don't try to download this one. This is for Windows. Now we are going to downloading for Linux. See, guys. Now you can click on this Linux or Unix. Yes, scroll the page. Now you can see in the bottom of the page. See, guys. Now we are going to installing on Red Hat flavors. So this now we are choosing for Red Hat flavors. Even AMI also almost nearest to Red Hat. Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Oracle Linux, CentOS, Scientific Linux, and Alma Linux, Rocky Linux, AMI, and we can some more. Present. We are using AMI now. Yes, see guys here. This is the link. Just click on here. Download a tarball. See guys, from beginning, from day one. Okay, the first initial version. See, in the 2005, April 7th, they have released with a size of 40 kilobytes. The first version. Now, we are choosing that, apply that Control F, Git -2.43.0.tar.gz. See guys, if you filter this one, finally we will get this one. You should select that, you should choose that tar.gz. Very important here. If you are not choosing this one, if you are choosing other one, you will be in trouble. Be careful, guys. Now, click mouse right button, copy this link address and move to your server location. Yes, wget wget is a command. That command usable to download the packages, I mean that softwares, audios, videos, images, any kind of format we can download from remote to local. Yes, apply this path, hit the enter. See guys, now we are going to download in this package. We have downloaded. The size is 10 MB. Now LL, see guys, we have downloaded. Now what we are doing, that we are going to extracting this one. tar space -xvf git, hit the enter. See guys, successfully we have extracted. Now you can see one more directory with the name of git. If you enter into this directory, yes, now you can see guys, these all are the original C files. These all are original C files. Okay, these all are whatever we are seeing, that .c. If you want to see, if you want to see the source code, anyone, for example, so this one is VAM version.c. See guys, complete original source code. So what we are doing, that we are going to compiling the source code. We are going to compiling the source code and converting into one executable Git software. Escape, guys, be careful. You should not disturb this one. If you disturb this one, maybe or may not be, your Git software will not work properly. So be careful. Okay guys. So now clear this one. So now what we are doing, that we are going to compiling these all packages by the command make prefix equals to /usr local git all. Now we are going to compiling each and every .c file, .h file, going to creating one more .o file. .o mean obj, object file. This command will take some time guys, please wait. But compared to our local mission, we can finish as soon as, because AWS organization is using high-end resources and a high-speed internet. So it won't take much more time. Just wait guys. Now it's in the R series. Okay guys, successfully we compiled. If you observe again, if you apply that ll command, you can see guys, initially we saw that only .c files or .h files. Now every C file having one more .o file. See guys, see version, okay, like this. So now what we did, we have compiled the files. Now what we are doing, that we are going to installing the package, I mean that we are going to creating or installing git. Okay, before that, if you want to see that, cd/usr local. See guys, here we don't have any kind of name with the name of git. Here we don't have with the name of git. Now what it will do that? So whatever we are going to apply in that command, the command will create one directory with the name of git inside this location. Inside that, the command will create one more or some more packages inside that git. Yes, inside that git we can see bin, and along with the bin some more files and directories are there. Inside that bin we can see that executable git software. Now move to previous step. Now apply the command make prefix equals to /usr local git install. We are going to installing git. Just matter of seconds. Done. Over. Now if you want to see that, yes, you can see guys, ll. See guys, we are having one more directory with the name of git. Now pwd /usr local git cd git. Now you can see one more directory with the name of bin and libraries, executable libraries and share. Now we are entering into that bin. Now see guys, these are the executable git software. Just now we have created, and the powerful file is, it's a very important file. It's a git software, first executable software. Now we are working with this one. Now come guys, yes, now git space hyphen version. You can see guys, we got that to 2.40.1. Of course we will do that, we'll remove that. Where we can see what is the command to know, yes, which git. It's located in the bin git /bin git scd/bin ll. Yes, you can see the file name git. By default, this we didn't install this git guys. Whatever we are seeing the present version, we didn't install. By applying those commands, automatically that package also will come. So now what we are doing, that we are going to remove that package. You can see in the G series, git. See guys, now what we are doing, that we are going to removing these all git packages. Yes, pwd ll. Now rm space hyphen rf and git related packages we are going to removing. See guys, now we have removed all git related packages. Now those packages are not available, but very important, be careful. It's very sensitive area. See guys, G80, those left from this place. Now move to our location. Now remove git space -y. So we are going to removing old version. See guys, we removed that old version, not new one. The latest version is 2.43.1. Now we are going to remove garbage also, #space -r. Successfully we have removed. Now we can apply that git space -, version. We will not get command not found. So now what we have to do, we need to set the path. Yes, now vam /.bashrc. Guys, if you are new to these concepts, okay, you have to understand. Of course, this is not right time to discuss. Already we have discussed one. Just observe this one. Okay, now you should not disturb this one. Yes, come into phase. Yes, command export path equals to $path : /usr local git bin escape shift : w2. These are our one-time configuration. We are not doing every day and every, okay, working with git time. Okay guys, now successfully we have configured. Just wait guys, we need to set the path. Okay guys, now so we need to apply that. Yes, apply that up arrow key, apply home button, or else you can come with left arrow key. Yes, apply that source. This is the final step. Successfully we have applied and we have installed git space -, version. See guys, successfully we got 2.43.0. This is the format, or this is the process for install Git. Successfully we have installed Git. Now guys, what we are doing that we are going to installing Java. The next one is Java space hyphen version. For seeing the version, only one hyphen. See guys, Java package not installed. Now what we are doing that we are going to installing Java package. Again, open your browser. Open one new tab. Yes, Jenkins download. Apply this one, Jenkins download, and the first one, Jenkins download and deployment. Click on this one, and here we are having two methods and two types of packages are there. One is the weekly version and one is the LTS. LTS means long-term support. Long-term supports. It's the bug-free software. It's complete with the bugs software. If you are choosing this one, you will get n number of bugs. We can't say that count also. It's in R&D level. It's an R&D level project, and it's a LTS long-term project. If you are choosing this one, you will not get any kind of bugs. Okay guys. Now what we are doing that we are going to installing Java. Yes, select this one. Now see guys, this is the 17th version, but we are choosing 11th version. Yes, copy this one. Of course, we will get Amazon will throw one more argument. They will tell that we are providing our own software. Don't choose this one. Yes, they will tell us like that. We need to follow that one. Just apply this one. See guys, we can't install this one. See guys, Amazon throwing this issue. Yes, they are saying that choose this one. See, Amazon -Linux extras install Java OpenJDK 11. Just copy this one and paste here and apply that -y. Now what we are doing that we are going to installing this package. The sudo is not important because we are in root user now. That's no problem. You can use or need not use this one. Whenever you are in root user, you need not use this one, or else you can use that one. No problem with that one. Okay guys, we'll discuss later on that. That's under user management, and that related to privileges, user privileges. See guys, successfully we have installed. Now we can apply that Java space hyphen version. See guys, Java 11 we have installed. Yes, if you want to see that which Java, this is the path. Next, where is Java? See guys, this is the path again. One more. We'll discuss later on that. Okay. Now fine guys, successfully we have installed Java. Now what we are doing that we are going to installing Tomcat. Now if you want to download Tomcat, yes, open this one. Still we are having some more work with this space. Or else we are going to download it now only. Copy this one, come back one step, and you can choose that generic Java package .var. Copy this link. Now move to your page. Be in the OPT folder /OPT LL. Already we are having Git software here. Now we are going to downloading wget space the package link. Now we are going to downloading that generic Java package Jenkins.war. Successfully we have downloaded. Now guys, please wait for some time. Now what we are doing that we are going to configuring Tomcat. Tomcat is the web application server to deploy all web applications. And we are having n number of web application servers like that Tomcat, WebLogic, WebSphere, JBoss, and IIS, Glassfish, like that. So many tools are there. So many web servers are there. Out of these servers, we are using Tomcat. Okay, Tomcat is used to run the web application. And Tomcat is a software. That's the web application software, guys. Now, successfully we have downloaded Jenkins.war and we have configured Java and we have configured Git. Now what we are doing that we are going to downloading Tomcat software. And again open your browser, open one new tab. Yes, apply that Tomcat download. Tomcat download. Now click on this one, Apache Tomcat 9. Just you can click. Yes, now guys, you can choose whatever you want. Now Tomcat 11 is the alpha. Maybe it's R&D level. So maybe we are having, if you choose that one, maybe you will get some issues. So better to avoid that one. Okay. Now I am choosing that 9. Okay. I am choosing that 9. Or else we will try to work on with 10 guys. Just click on that 10. Now this is the latest version on 10, 10.1.16. Now scroll down. Now we need to download for tar.gz. That tar.gz for Linux, tar.gz and zip for Linux. And we can work on Windows also, but present we are on Windows Linux mission now. So that reason we are choosing this one. Don't click left button. If you click left button, what will happen? It will download into Windows mission. Now directly we are going to download into Linux mission. So just click mouse right button, copy link address and move to your location, be in the OPT folder, again wget and URL. Just hit the enter, so downloaded. It's a downloaded. Now you can see guys, Tomcat. Now what we are doing that? We are going to extracting. That's a tar.gz package. Now we are going to extracting. Tar space -xvf Apache Tomcat. Extract this one. See guys. Now we got one more folder with the name of Tomcat. Now what we are doing that we are going to renaming that one MV space Apache Tomcat space Tomcat. Simply we are simplifying the name. Now you can see guys. We renamed this one. We renamed this one. MV is a command. That command used for to move the file, and the command used for to rename the file or directory. Okay guys. Now, so what we have to do? We need to set the username password in this Tomcat user software. First of all, let me change that context.xml. Yes, VAM/OPT. Inside this, see right now we are having guys. Directly we are opening that. Yes, VAM is the editor. Sorry. So VAM is the editor that used for to edit the file, to modify the file, to add the content, to delete the content, to replace the content. Okay. Yes, VAM, where is located? The Tomcat software located in the /OPT and Tomcat. Yes, web apps manager meta-inf context.xml. Just click on this one guys. Be careful. You should not disturb this one. Yes, now come here. Just remove this all. Be in the insert mode. Already I am in the insert mode. Yes, remove this one. Yes, dot asterisk. Escape, shift colon, W. That's enough. Now, what we are doing that we are going to starting the Tomcat service /OPT Tomcat bin startup.sh. Hit the enter. Now Tomcat service started. Tomcat service started. Now let me show you that to launch. Just come here, AWS EC2 instances. Click on this one. Just wait and take this public IP address and open one new tab. Yes. Now apply here :8080. See guys, Tomcat started. Now click on that manager app. Of course, we didn't set that username password. Once you click on that, it will ask that username password. For this time, we didn't set that. We need to be configured that username password also. We'll see that. Click on that manager app. See guys. So what is the username password? We didn't set that. Now what we are doing that? Just click on that cancel. It will throw this message. Now take this one. See guys. 401 unauthorized. 401 unauthorized. Maybe that is the interview question. When I'm trying to launching the page, After few seconds, it's throwing that one page. That page showing that 401 unauthorized. What it means? It means we try to log in. We try to log in anonymous users by the anonymous username passwords. Anonymous mean so the Tomcat which one not having or which one having inside which one having inside that we are not using those credentials. Whatever the credentials are inside the Tomcat configuration file, we are not using those credentials. We are using unconfigured user credentials. So that reason we are getting this one. So now what we are doing that we are going to creating username password. Copy these two lines, select and copy. Now move to your console. Yes, where it's located. The Tomcat having one configuration file. That file calling as a Tomcat users.xml. Yes, VAM/opt Tomcat conf Tomcat users.xml. Be careful. These all are configuration files. You should not disturb which one is already existed text. Yes, come here. Yes. Be outside the comments. These are the comment lines. I think already if you are new to or if you are having idea about this HTML or XML, DHTML, CSS and JavaScript. Yes, these are the comment lines in HTML. Now what we are doing that? Yes, be in the insert mode. Apply here and name the username is. Yes, I am setting that username is admin and password also admin. So my password is admin and I am setting that username also admin. Both are same admin. That's enough, guys. That's enough. Escape shift colon WQ. You should not disturb here. Okay, that's enough. Now again /opt Tomcat bin shutdown.sh. I'm shutdowning the Tomcat service. Now you can see page left. Now you can refresh. Page not found. See guys, cannot be reached. It's mean Tomcat service not running. Now what we are doing that we are going to starting again /opt Tomcat bin startup.sh. Tomcat service started. Now you can come here and refresh here. See guys, now it's asking that username password. What is the username? Admin and password admin. Just click on that sign in. See guys, successfully we logged in into Tomcat dashboard. If you want to save this one, you can save. If you save this one, once again, if whenever you are going to re-log in, it won't ask the password. Okay guys, at present not required. I didn't save this one. This is the Tomcat page. Now what we did, successfully we have installed Java and we have configured Tomcat with passwords, username and password. Now what we are doing that Tomcat is the web application server. These all are the web applications. Whatever we are seeing this, see guys, this is one web application. Just wait. Now you can see that host manager. This is one, see guys, 403 access denied. So of course we are not having this permission. We'll see that later on. We need to set the password. Next, examples. Even here also not having that. We need to be set that accessful in context.xml. It's saying that. Okay, we'll see that. Next, documents. Here also we are not having permission. Okay, yes, this is very important. We'll discuss later on that. See guys. Okay. So once you click on this one, it will go back. See, click on that again, manager app. Now guys, what we are doing that we are going to deploying that Jenkins.war file inside this page. This page is web apps folder. If you want to see that application here, we need to be placed inside this /opt Tomcat web apps folder. Now you can see guys, if you want to see that LL CD Tomcat, now you can see all properties here. See guys, we have started the Tomcat service by using this Tomcat bin. Now you can see that bin LL. See guys, by using this file we have started Tomcat service. If you want to shut down this one, but whatever we are seeing this white color, .bat batch files. .bat mean batch files. These batch files for Windows environment. These batch files will work on Windows environment. These files will not work here. Once you move to Windows environment, these files will not work. These are for Linux mission. It means this Tomcat software, this Tomcat software we can on Windows mission and we can Linux mission. You got it now, guys? But we will get both files for Linux and Windows. But right now we have configured Tomcat on Linux mission, so that reason we are choosing this .sh files, guys. Okay, now just come back one step, and we have configured Tomcat users.xml. Where it's located? It's located inside that file. cd conf ll. See, guys, we have chosen this one. We have opened this one. VIM space /opt / tomcat /conf / tomcat users.xml. Inside this file, we are having credentials to log in into Tomcat. Okay, guys. Now this server.xml user for to change the Tomcat port number. Now the Tomcat port number is working on 8080. If you want to change this port number, yes, you can change by using this server.xml file. If you want to see that, yes, you can see that server.xml. See, guys, the port number is 8080, connect port number. You can see. If you change this one, after changing, if you refresh this one, the page will left. Right now, the port number working on 8080. Okay, guys. See, guys, these are very important. We'll discuss later on that. Okay. Now, I'm not saving this one. I'm coming out without modifying this one. Okay. Now, what we are doing that? Yes, come back one step. LL. Now you can see that web apps folder. Whatever we are seeing here, these all are available in this folder. cd space web apps ll. See, guys, the root nothing but a slash. This root nothing but it's a slash. Remaining all are whatever we have seen that docs, examples, host manager. Now you can see these all are. See, guys. Now what we are doing that? Whatever we have downloaded Jenkins.war file, we are placing here. Where it's located? It's located in the /opt. It's located in the /opt. Yes, now I am copying here. cp space /opt Jenkins.war space dot. Dot mean present working directory. Hit the enter. Now you can see, guys. And it's created one more directory. Automatically Tomcat will extract with the one more directory. Now this is the important file here. It's working. It's playing main key role on Jenkins. Now just wait for a few more seconds. After deploying in this folder, now move to your Tomcat location. Now you see, guys, these all are in running state is true. Even so, whatever we have deployed that Jenkins.war file, after refreshing, we can see in this list, and the same time we have to see true. If you see that false, our Jenkins will not work. Until when we are seeing that true, the running state, we need to try it again and again to get true state. Now just refresh here. See, guys, we saw that false. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, it won't work. Now you can see, guys. See, 404. We'll see that because first time we got this issue. Yes, now what we are doing that, guys, we are going to ll rm space -rf Jenkins. We are going to remove this all. Now I am going back to /opt ll. Yes, again /opt tomcat bin shutdown.sh. Yes, we stopped this service. We'll see, guys. Maybe we need to be modified we need to be choose that latest version of Tomcat, or else we'll see that. Now we are working on Tomcat 10 now. Maybe that is also one reason. We'll see, guys. Okay, we'll see that. So if it is not working, we need to be degraded the software. We need to be degraded. Okay. Yes. Again, cp Jenkins.war / opt Tomcat web apps. Now ll space / opt Tomcat web apps. See, guys, it didn't extract. So once we start the Tomcat service, just refresh here. See, guys, Tomcat also left from service because we stopped that service now. Now what we are doing that we are going to starting / opt Tomcat bin startup.sh. Now the Tomcat service started, and wait for a few seconds or 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds or 20 seconds. You should not go for immediately for refreshing the browser. Just spend 10 to 15 minutes here only, then you can go, guys. Yes. See, still we got the trouble. Okay. So maybe the Java compatibility issue on Tomcat. Okay. So what we have to do, guys? We need to downgrade this. We need to downgrade this Tomcat software. Now, guys, what I'm doing that I'm closing this one. Now come here. Yes, ll rm space -rf. I'm deleting that Tomcat. Permanently I have removed that. No more that Tomcat. Even rm space -rf Apache Tomcat. This is also we are removing that. Now what we are doing that, guys? We are going to downloading 9th version. We are going to downloading 9th version. Now come here. Yes, click on that downloads. 9th one. Yes, this is the 9th version. Again, we are choosing that tar.gz. Yes, select this one. Copy this link address. Now come back here. Yes, again duplicate and paste here. So yes, download it. Now yes, tar space -xvf Apache Tomcat. Again ll yes mv space Apache Tomcat. Yes, Tomcat. We renamed this one. Again, we are going to modifying that file. Yes, vim / opt Tomcat web apps manager meta-inf context.xml. Yes, be careful here. Escape dot escape. That's it, guys. Save this one. Now successfully we saved this one. Again ll. See, guys. Okay. Now what we are doing it / opt Tomcat bin startup.sh. Okay. Yes, ll. Now it's working fine. It's working fine. Yes, open again this, take this IP address and move to open one new tab. Yes, again paste :8080 8080. What happened? Just wait, guys. Just wait. Yes, take this one. Yes, :8080. Just wait, guys. Of course, we will get this one. Now, what we have to do? ll We'll see, guys. Just wait. Maybe these are the compatibility issues. We'll see that. Yes. See, guys. We got now. Now click on this one. Yes, guys. We didn't configure. We have removed that one. Previous one we have removed. Now what we are doing that? We are going to configuring. Just click on next. Cancel. Click on that cancel. Take these two lines. Copy this one. Now move to your page. What is the page? VAM/OPT Tomcat conf Tomcat users.xml. Now be careful. You should not disturb here. Yes. Paste here and apply that. Username is admin. Password also admin. Escape and let me check. Yes, escape, shift to colon. Now, guys, successfully we change this one. Now refresh here. Now apply that username is admin and password admin. See, guys, successfully we came back again. See, guys, now what we are doing that already we are having file /opt. Okay, now we have downloaded this one. Now what we are doing that cp space Jenkins.war /opt Tomcat web apps. We need to be copy this file into web apps folder. Now you can see, guys, ll space /opt Tomcat web apps. It's extracted. See, guys, it's very important. Okay, after extracting only the Jenkins will work. Now just refresh here. See, guys, now the state is true. It's mean Tomcat 10 not supporting to Java 11 for Jenkins configuration. Tomcat 10 not supporting to Java 11 for configuring Jenkins. So what we have to do? We need to choose 9th version. It's the practical. Okay, these are very important configurations. Now click on that Jenkins. Yes, see, guys. So what we have to do? Yes, we need to take the key, add key. Okay, after starting Tomcat service, so we entered into the Tomcat and we have deployed that Jenkins.war file. Deployed into Jenkins.war file. Start the Tomcat service. That one also already started, and we are taking the key. We are taking the key for, yes, select this one, copy this one. Now come here. Yes, where it's located? It's located here. This is the encrypted key. Take this one and copy. Now move to Jenkins. Next, apply here and paste on here. Click on that continue. No need to save this one. It's one-time configuration. So just click on that never. Now, the importance of these two concepts. If you want to select manually which plugin you want, yes, you can choose that, guys. See, but Jenkins already had selected itself. It selected some plugins. Or else, if you don't want to continue with this plugin, yes, you can remove. If you want to use this one, you can use. Like this, we are having n number of plugins. Okay. If you want to continue this one, yes, you can continue. Or else go back. So right now we are initial level now. So maybe here we are having a lot of plugins. Maybe we are not working with some plugins. Maybe some more plugins required. Okay, I think this is not correct right now. So that reason what we are doing that we are selecting with the suggested plugins. If you continue with the suggested plugins, in future if you want to install based on your requirement, you can choose this one. Yes, click on this, install plugins. Just wait guys, need to be install all these plugins, just matter of 2 to 5 minutes only. It's very important. Now we are installing plugins. Okay guys, so guys, what we did guys, sorry for I forgot that selecting that record session for last 4 to 5 minutes. Guys, simply what we did, just we have selected suggested plugins, we have selected suggest plugins, and we have installed the plugins. And while installing that plugins, I got that 2 failure plugins. I retried it. After retrying, yes, successfully I have installed those 2 plugins also. After installing each and every plugin, this is the last screen after installing plugins. Now what we did guys, yes, I have given that username, password, and that respective fields I have filled that good. Next, what I'm doing, that save and continue. Yes, for next login, if you want to log in by this Jenkins server, this is the URL for your Jenkins server. Okay, yes, click on that save and continue. If you want to take this one, you can take this, or else you can leave. Save and finish. Finally, this is the last step to enter into the Jenkins console. Yes, click on that start using Jenkins. Okay guys, see guys, this is the last step. This is the last step to configure Jenkins. Successfully we have configured Jenkins on AWS console. Now see guys, so of course we got failures now. It's saying that, okay, ignore, yes, leave that. Now you can see guys, just leave that one also. Yes, it's saying that building on the built-in node can be security issue. See guys, we'll discuss later on that master slave concept. Master slave concept is related to master slave concept. We'll discuss later on that. Okay, built-in node, it means built-in node, default node will get issues. So that reason what we are doing, that we are going to set up in agent, that's calling as a slave. Agent nothing but a slave. It's a master server, it's a master node, and whatever we are going to configuring some other Jenkins servers, those all are calling, or we are going to calling as a slave nodes after adding into master. Okay, until that, leave that, nothing to worry. Okay guys, this is the final step to configure Jenkins. Okay, successfully we have configured guys. Of course, we got small issue by failuring 2 plugins. Those plugins also installed successfully. Okay, now guys, now what we have to do, we are going to pulling the code from GitHub to Jenkins. Yes, new tab. Yes, github.com. Yes, click on that sign in. Already have that user. Yes, click on that sign in. Yes, I'll get that notification. This is based every time. Okay guys, I have closed that my GitHub user account. Now what I'm doing, that I'm trying to log in into again once again. Yes, github.com. Yes, already have logged in, so that reason we are getting this space. Okay, if you'll get that notification and all, what is that verification code and all, just pass the code. Once you add that code, automatically your GitHub will give the permission to enter into this GitHub repository. Now guys, click on this DevOps project 1. Now this is the code here. This is the complete original executable source code. We can execute, or we can set up one project with one web page. Okay guys, and we are having Docker Compose related to Docker files, and Jenkins related Jenkins pipeline files. Okay, and Docker files for build our own images, and we are having source code, and we are having some MySQL dump pages also. Okay, now come here, click on this code, choose that SSH and copy this one. Now move to your Jenkins console. Yes, now click on that new. Yes, name the job name. Yes, a test job. Select that pre-sale project, click on that OK button. See guys, now click on that source code, select that Git and paste Git here. Now just guys leave that default credentials because we are using public repository. So that reason leave that default. And what is the branch name? Branch name is main, and change the branch name here, main. Okay, next. Okay, just leave that. In yesterday's class, I think we have discussed the pole SCM and periodical build. Yes, guys, so seniors. Yes or no? Seniors. Okay, now come here.
Yes, please.
Click on that save button. I didn't configure pole SCM and periodical build. Now click on that build now. See guys, the job process started. Successful. We got the code from GitHub to this Jenkins server. See guys, job successful output. Now come here. cd space / root dot Jenkins workspace. Hit the enter and you can see guys, job name cd space test ll. See guys, we got the code from GitHub to Jenkins. Now what we have to do? We need to send this code to. We need to send the code to SonarQube, but we didn't configure that SonarQube. We'll discuss later on that, guys. Yes, that's all in this class. That's all in this class. In this class, what we did, guys? We have installed a Git, custom version, latest version, and we have installed Java, and we have installed Tomcat and configured username and passwords, and we have downloaded Jenkins.war file and placed it into that Tomcat web apps folder. After that, we ran that Jenkins, and we have installed plugins by choosing that suggested plugins, and we have configured username password, and we entered into the Jenkins, and we ran one job to get the code or to integrate the code from GitHub to Jenkins. Okay guys, this is the task in today's class. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now.